If your Daikin AC is suddenly showing error code U4, don't panic. This one looks scary, but in most cases, the fix is incredibly simple. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to solve it quickly and safely, even if you're not a technician. So stick with me till the end, because by the last step, you'll know exactly what to do. Let's begin. The U4 error basically means communication failure between the indoor and outdoor units. Think of it like your AC's two modules stop talking to each other, even though nothing major might be wrong. So first, try the easiest fix, full power reset. Turn off the AC from the breaker or unplug it completely. Just switching it off from the remote won't help. Now wait 5 to 10 minutes, then power it back on. You'll be surprised how often this alone clears the U4 error, because it forces both modules to reboot and reconnect. If the error is still there, move to inspect the communication cable, open the panels, and take a good look at the communication wire connecting the indoor and outdoor units. Check for loose connectors, frayed insulation, or broken wires. Tighten any loose terminals you see, and if the cable looks damaged, replacing it usually solves the problem instantly. On to the next. Examine the circuit boards. Carefully open both indoor and outdoor unit covers and look at the PCBs. You're checking for burn marks, corrosion, moisture, or cracked components. If you spot anything unusual, avoid DIY repairs. Circuit boards are sensitive. Instead, contact a certified technician for repair or replacement. Now let's check one more common cause. Verify power stability. If your home suffers from low voltage or frequent fluctuations, communication between units gets interrupted. Using a voltage stabilizer can prevent this. And if you already use one, make sure the stabilizer itself is working properly. And finally, contact Daikin support. If nothing worked, reach out to Daikin's official support team. You can call their hotline, visit their website, or contact them via WhatsApp. They can send a technician who's trained specifically for this model. And that's it. Those are the exact steps to fix the Daikin U4 communication error. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick, effective troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.